So after you've loaded a model or are viewing a model with a live session in Rhino, and you can begin to edit this model using the Edit panel. So the Edit icon in the bottom right will allow you to manipulate the model. So a pinch gesture or a two-handed pinch gesture on the HoloLens will allow you to scale the model. Tapping and dragging will allow you to move the model, and a two-finger tap will allow you to rotate the model. From the Edit menu, you can also reset the location of your model by tapping the Reset button, which will allow you to replace the model on a detected surface. And you can place the model using a hologram placement code using the Snap tool. So I've snapped this onto the QR code. We haven't built up much tracking data of that part of our space, which is why the hologram's jumping around a little bit. Also from the Edit menu, we have a few tools for controlling how we move the model around. You can have ortho movement only or planar movement, and you can have movement in the XY plane or in the XZ or YZ planes. You can also have free movement, which isn't constrained to any particular plane, which is useful if you're also moving your phone, mobile phone, to change the position in the Z axis.